Tired of your living room looking like an Amazon warehouse? Let's get those products shipped to Amazon FBA and reclaim your space. First, log into your Amazon Seller Central account. Once you're in, hover over the Inventory tab at the top of the screen. Click on Manage FBA Inventory. This will take you to a list of all your products that are eligible for FBA. Select the product you want to ship, click the drop-down menu next to it and choose Send. Replenish Inventory. You can also search for the item you want to ship in the search bar and checkmark the box to the left of the item, then choose Send. Replenish Inventory from the Action on selected drop-down. Now you're on the Send to Amazon workflow. Here, you'll specify the quantity of each item you're sending. Make sure your packaging type is set to individual products. Enter the number of units you are sending to Amazon. Click Continue to Packaging Products. Select whether or not Amazon will prep your items or if you will prep them yourself. Selecting Seller will prep means you're responsible for preparing your products according to Amazon's guidelines. Review the packaging requirements carefully. Select whether or not you will label the items or if Amazon will label the items for you. Select Seller will label. Download and print the product labels. Affix the labels to each individual product, ensuring the original barcode is covered. Review all your shipment details to make sure everything is correct. Here you will confirm the Amazon Fulfillment Center location, the number of boxes, and the weight of each box. You'll also select your shipping carrier. Amazon partnered carrier is usually the most cost-effective option. Then, print out your box labels, affix one to each box, and you're ready to ship. And that's it. You've successfully created an FBA shipment. Now you can finally get your products on their way and reclaim your space. Good luck.